So playing this game, can you explain to me why you put the blue ball on even chance and why you put the red ball on impossible?
I put it on even chance because a yellow ball is a 3 and the blue ball is a 3 too, so it can be even.
Okay, and why was the red ball on impossible?
Because it's not even red there.
Okay, now let's click done and see what happens. So, great work. Now let's see the next one. Now what are you going to do?
How likely? Okay. Red, I think, is likely.
Okay, why is it likely?
Because it has a lot and the blue ball can be unlikely.
Okay.
Because
And then
it only has one.
let's click done and check.
Okay, so you ready?
Wait.
So this says how many red balls would have to be in the machine to be certain that a red ball would get picked. So looking at that machine, what would have to happen with the red balls?
There'll be more red. All of these must be red balls
Why?
because certain means that it will definitely happen. Nothing else will happen.
Okay.
So it has to be the same.
Okay. So what if you spin it this time, what ball do you think is most likely to come out of that one when you press the lever?
Most likely?
What color do you think is most likely?
Which will happen?
Yeah.
I think. You mean coming down here?
Yeah.
I think it'll be red
Why do you think red?
because there's two red.
So you think it's most likely that it would be red?
It will be equally likely.
What's it equally likely with?
No, it will be most likely that blue will come out
So why did you change your answer to blue?
because there's more blue.
Okay. Now which one would be least likely to come out?
The yellow.
Okay, let's click the lever and see what happens. Oh, it was red.
I knew it.
And
Plus
you know
I
what's-
tried it before.
And you know what's interesting is you have more red than the other one. So even though there's a certain probability, it's still random. And what you think might happen still might not.
Hello. Da da da. Da da da.
Another red one. Okay. I'm looking at your machine here, and it says you have 12 picks. And so far you've used 5 of them. Why do you think you have 3 blue, 2 red, and 0 yellow? Looking at your balls. Why do you think that's happened?
Because it's not landing on any yellows.
Why do you think it's not landing on any yellow?
Because there's hardly any yellows.
Okay, and why do you think the red is 2? Why do you think they're...
Because there's only 2 reds.
Okay, and what about the blue? Why is the blue the most right now?
Because there's 3. There's
Oh, that's
most, and there's 3. There's only 2 reds, so that's not enough. There's only 1, but that's not enough. 3 it's not good. Like you can't do it.
Okay. Now what if I said I wanted blue to be certain? What would you do with your blue balls if you wanted them to be certain?
Maybe I have to click them, then
Well, how many blue balls would you need for it to be certain? What does certain mean, buddy?
certain.
Yeah. Do you know what it means? If I told you certain meant it's going to happen every time. So if I said I wanted to create one of these bubbles that made sure every single time I clicked on it I got a blue ball, what color balls would you want in there?
Only blue.
Only blue?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because it's the only boy color.
It's the only one, okay.